Most men think they need money, looks, or social proof to make a woman obsessed with them. That's bullshit. The truth is, emotional addiction has nothing to do with what you own, how you look, or even how you treat her. In fact, the more you try to impress her, the more invisible you become. She doesn't want nice. She doesn't want predictable. What she wants, what her subconscious craves, is emotional chaos. Because love fades, infatuation burns out, but addiction sticks. It burrows into her brain like a parasite and feeds off her every thought. If you want her obsessing over you, make her addicted to you. And here's the kicker. You don't do that by giving her what she wants. You do it by giving her exactly what she doesn't expect. Most men validate, flatter, and chase. You're going to do the opposite. You show up strong, silent, unfazed. No compliments, no approval seeking, no anxious energy. And just when she begins to let her guard down, just when she starts thinking you're safe, you pull away. You vanish. You slam the door shut in her face without warning. That whiplash, the sharp twist in emotional tension, is what hijacks her psyche. From that moment on, her brain goes into overdrive. She replays your conversations like they hold the answer to a riddle. She rereads your texts at 2 a.m. She starts wondering if she did something wrong. She talks about you to her friends. She invents reasons to message you. Why? Because her mind needs resolution. You've denied her emotional closure, and now she's hooked. If you want her crawling back to you, don't fill her cup. Drain it, then make her beg to have it refilled. Do this once in the morning. Do it again in the afternoon. Do it a third time before midnight. That's the formula. 3 strikes of tension and rejection in one day. By sunrise, she won't be able to function without you. She won't understand why, but you will. Because this isn't love. This isn't attraction. This is psychological warfare. And when you master this dynamic, you'll never chase a woman again. You won't need to. She'll chase you. She'll suffer for you. She'll cry for you. And she'll call it love. If you want the exact playbook, I'll give it to you. Go to shogunmethod.com and you'll see how it's done. shogunmethod.com